Who?
versus
Whom?
and
Which?
versus
That.
by Cheyenne and Matt. So before we start, we're going to have to talk about clauses, as they're essential to what we'll be talking about today. So an essential clause is one where it is essential to the meaning of the sentence. If the clause is removed, the meaning of the sentence will change. For example, chairs at the school are often uncomfortable. At the school would be your essential clause. If you take that away, you get chairs are often uncomfortable, which really changes what you're talking about. A non-essential clause can be taken away from a sentence without it changing the whole meaning. For example, I sat on an uncomfortable chair in my office. In my office would be your non-essential clause. If you take that away, you get I sat on an uncomfortable chair, which doesn't really change what you're talking about.
Which and that. When you say either which or that, you're referring to a group of things. The difference is that talks about an essential clause, while which talks about a non-essential clause. Example, Matt is a member on the team that did win. Another example is that is a decision which you will have to live for the rest of your life.
Who and whom. When you say who, you're referring to a person. Examples, Steve Jobs is the one who co-created Apple. Steve Jobs would obviously be your person. When you say whom, you're referring to an object. People usually only say whom when they're writing formally. Not many people say it while talking, but anyways, an example for this would be this pen belongs to whom, this pen obviously being your object.
Thanks for listening. Hope we didn't bore you to death. But references.